Here I've got the ASUS Zenfone 6 and let me show you all the secret codes that can be used on this device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, and let's start with the first one, which is *##, *426, ###. And as you can see now we are in diagnostic mode performed by Google, where you can come along with events, status, and if you click on the more icon right here, you can activate advanced view, just click here, and then you can come along with plenty information, very useful. I truly recommend coming along with all those details. And let's go to the second code, which is *##, *##, 225, #**. And here you've got the calendar info, so all information stored in your Google Calendar and also in the internal storage of this ASUS will be included here. From now on you will not forget about any important event, any important celebrations, like everything is right here in front of you. Let's go back. Now we will go to the third code, which is *##, *4636, #**. And now we are in testing mode, where you can come along with phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Under phone information, let me click on it. In this model you can locate IMEI number, then current network, roaming, data service, data network type, and many other useful information. But also it enables you to perform a ping test. Just click on Run Ping Test, and right here you can find the solution. Let me go back, and now the second tab is user statistics. Just click on it, and here you can come along with the detailed information about your applications. So you can check, for example, usage time or app last time used. Then under Wi-Fi information, you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Let me start with Wi-Fi APA. And here you've got disabled network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole detailed connection info. Then under Wi-Fi configuration, you've got currently configured networks. And then in Wi-Fi status, just click on the refresh states. And here you can come along with status of the current network. And also this mode allows you to perform a ping test here. Smoothly click on Run Ping Test. And here you've got it. As you can see, this one passed. And that would be all for this code. And now let me go to the last one, very useful, and also the shortest. It's *##06#. And this code will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your phone, to your ASUS Zenfone 6. So this is it. Click on OK to go back. And actually these are all secret codes that you can use on your device, on your ASUS. Enjoy them and use them as often as you need to, as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.